Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5 and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Now tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like location. Now just select one of your apps. I will go with maybe camera and tap on the best option from the list of available ones. Allow only when using the app, ask every time or don't allow. I want to set up first one, so when I click and go back, I can set camera just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always pick any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into camera to access my messages. Now, instead of picking one of those options, tap on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!